Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bhumika and I hope you're all doing good. So today's video is all about liquid lipsticks, the myths about them and all you need to know. So without further ado, let's get started. Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipsticks, they are completely kiss proof and they are 100% matte. So this is a simple test. So I run my finger over and over again on this lipstick and so there is no, it is completely kiss proof. If you can see here, it does not transfer. So if you're searching for a liquid lipstick which is non-transferable, Sugar is the brand. The nature of liquid lipstick is always drying. So no matter which brand you go with, it will have a little bit drying impact on your lips. What you can do is you can apply a lip balm or Vaseline petroleum jelly before underneath the liquid lipstick and then you can go ahead and apply it. Always remember, you should only go with single coat of liquid lipstick. Never reapply the liquid lipstick over the liquid lipstick single coat. If by chance your lipstick comes out or gets chipped off, you have to remove that lipstick which was staying and then apply a new coat of it. One thing about liquid lipstick is they have a drying formula. You don't have to press your lips this way. You should not when you're applying liquid lipstick. So my experience with liquid lipsticks have been so far so good. My personal favorite brand is Sugar, and I also have recently tried my hands on Nykaa liquid lipstick and it is amazing. The formula is so light, it does not dry off. Lakme Forever Matte is also a good choice when you're concerned about the liquid lipstick. It is little bit transferable, but once it dries off completely, it is really light on your lips. So I'll be showing by applying these liquid lipsticks on my lips, and I'll go with Nykaa, and then is Lakme, and then is Sugar, Fiery Berry, and Vivid Orchid. So this Toast Roast in the brand Sugar, it is already on my lips, so you guys can see the shade. Also, I'll show you how to remove these liquid lipsticks, especially Sugar, because you know, it is really stubborn and it will not get off your lips. For the stay power is what maximum time whatever I have experienced is 12 hours. So it will not, you don't have to retouch and reapply it for like 7 to 8 hours easily. So if you're searching for something which you want it to stay through all the throughout the evening and also your office 9 to 10 hours, this brand Sugar Smudge Me Not lipstick is the product you should go for. So however, Lakme and Nykaa, so the stay is little less. If I talk about in hours, it should be 2 or 3 hours maximum, and that too if you do not have anything or you don't eat. So once you eat, so they get lightened and they start getting removed from the inside of your lips. So while Sugar, if you eat, you drink, you do whatever, this is going to stay for easily 8 to 9 hours. I'm using micellar water. You can use any makeup remover. With liquid lipsticks, you have to use any oil-based makeup remover, and always dab your lips with that product. It could be a moisturizer, it could be a coconut oil or any oil you prefer. I generally use coconut oil because that way my lips, they don't get dried. So just leave the product as is. Leave the coconut oil or whatever cream based remover you're using for 5 or 10 minutes. Smudge Me Not lipstick has an applicator like this. I'll just show it to you if it is. While Nykaa has an applicator like this. So this is how it looks. If you talk about moving your finger on your lips. So there is a very little product which is seen on the finger. Trust me, if you want to experiment with liquid lipstick, go with Nykaa Mini Lipstick. They are affordable, they are mini, they have a very light formula, and they have really good color range. Next is the formula is really liquid, and it isn't that pigmented as it should be. But the formula is really light. It will go away if I keep on eating, drinking, and I don't think it'll last more than 2 hours. Let's do a kiss proof test. It is completely kiss proof and non-transferable. So it is almost dried up, and this is how it looks. So time for its kiss proof test. So there is trust me, no product on my hand, and it is completely transfer proof. I hope you guys like this video. I'm done with all the liquid lipsticks I had to show you. If you guys like this video, please share it with your friends, families, girlfriends, BFFs, everybody, and give it a huge thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.